Hello students, again I'm here in front of you with a new video, that is revision video for class 6 for chapter 3 Fiber to Fabric. In this video we will see overview of this chapter. Now the first is we will see what's the meaning of fiber to fabric. Now here they have given the definition in bold font line. The very thin thread-like strand from which cloth is made is called fiber, and this Hindi name of fiber is called tantu. Now the variety of fiber, uh, fiber is used to make fabrics. Now what are the variety of fabric? Variety of fabrics are four. The first is cotton, second is woolen, third is silk, and fourth is synthetic. Now here these three are natural fibers, and the last one is synthetic fiber. It means it is made up by the human being in the laboratory. Now we will see the next one, how we can make yarn from fibers. Now as we have seen in the video that we cannot make fabric directly. First fiber is converted into yarn, afterwards this yarn is converted into fabric or the cloth. Now here they have given that fabrics are made up of the yarns which is made fabric are made up of the yarns which is made from cotton fiber. Any of the fiber we can use. Fibers make yarn and then this yarn is converted into fabric. Now here you can see these are the fibers. More than one fibers, they are connected together and they are spinning it. When they are spinning it, it is converted into yarn. This is the practical to check that yarn is made up of fibers. Now in this one you can see it is looking like one fiber, and in this one they have splitted that particular yarn, and you can see here at the node part the splitting part that represent that particular yarn is made up of fibers. Now next we will see now how we can use this yarns to make fabric. Now here in this hand there is one yarn. Okay, like this there are lots of yarn. They are arranged at the right angle, vertical and horizontally, and it is converted into fabric. Next is types of fiber. Now here you have to remember that we are having two types of fiber, natural and synthetic. Which is obtained from the natural source is called natural fiber. Either it is from animal or plant. Okay, now these are the example of natural fiber: cotton, wool, silk, flax and jute. In this one, cotton, flax, jute are the natural fiber obtained from the plant, so it is called plant fiber. And the second one, wool and silk, they are natural fiber but obtained from the animal, so it is called animal fiber. Wool is commonly obtained from the sheep. Silk is obtained from the silkworm. Okay, and this fiber and some of the fibers are prepared from the chemical substance is called synthetic fiber. Now here you have been given the definition of synthetic fiber, that the fibers which is obtained from the chemicals is called synthetic fiber. Next is making of fabric. How we can make fabric from the particular fiber. The first, there are two steps to make fabric. The first step is fibers are converted into yarns as we have seen in the first step, and second is fabric is made up of yarn. The first this is the step for making yarn from the fabric. Here you can see this is the cotton lump. With the help of this cotton lump, they are spinning this cotton lump and convert into particular yarn. This cotton lump is containing particular thread is called fiber. They are not yarn. These fibers are combined together and spinning with each other is converted into yarn. Next is yarn can be made from fibers by using three devices. These are the hand devices, and the last one is the automatic machine, modern device that is used in this modern age. The first is spindle, the clay spinning wheel that Gandhiji is using charkha, and the last one is spinning machine. This is modern technical machine that is used to make yarns. Next is spinning. After spinning, we have to convert that particular yarn into fabric. So what are the instrument we can use, or what is the process? So we are having two process: weaving and knitting. Weaving can be done by hand or by machine. In the traditional age, in the previous age, it is done by hand, but right now we are having modern technology. We are using machine. Here this lady is weaving yarn and convert into fabric. This is the hand uh, weaving machine. She is using with the hand, and it is also called lakagarga. The name of that instrument is called lakagarga. Now the last one, the second step is knitting. In this knitting, we can use needle. This knitting we have to do with the hand only. There is no machine. In the with the help of hand, you can use single needle or else double needle. You have seen your grandmother or your mama is doing or knitting sweater socks for winter season. That is this knitting method. Next is the last topic of this chapter, that is history of clothing material. It is not like that from the previous age all are wearing this kind of clothes, whatever we are wearing today. But yes, they are not having any kind of clothes to wear to cover themselves. So what they are doing, they are using bark of trees, big leaves and trees and animal skin for to protect their body, for to protect their body from the season, variety of season, with the sunlight. Okay, but right now, first in the previous age, when they are not having anything, they are using directly bark of trees, big leaves, trees and animals and skin. And now what they are using afterwards, little bit development of agriculture, they are using twigs, that is thin shoot. They are knitting that thin shoot and they are using to wear it. And after the development of that particular agriculture practices, crops and technology, they are having today's clothes, proper knitted and weaved clothes. And this clothes and some of the clothes from this part also has been worn unstitched. Unstitched in the sense, some of the clothes, which cloth ऐसे भी है, from that they are using that cloth unstitched. Okay, that is sari, dhoti, turban. These are the clothes which is used unstitched. Okay, so this is fiber to fabric chapter. Next is your home assignment. This you have to do, you have already done, but this is one type of revision. Definition of fiber and knitting method. What are the two steps involved in the process of making yarn? Third one, which fabric are used unstitched? Fourth, write 3 examples of natural fiber. And fifth, which fiber is obtained